Hi, this is Neil Cole from Conversion Uplift. Today I'm going to show you how to create some custom alerts in GA4. This is a really useful tool, but it is hidden away. So if you go to your GA4 console and then go to the Home report and scroll down to View Insights, or in my case, it shows See Suggested Insights. Click on that. And here you'll see some suggested custom alerts. So you've got daily event count, daily users, daily views, daily conversions, daily revenue. Now these are useful, certainly. So if you want to create one for, say, daily users, then just click on Review and Create. And you can decide the frequency. So it doesn't have to be daily, it can be weekly or monthly, as even hourly for web. And you can change the segment, so it's not just all users. Now, this allows you to look at different dimensions, so like age, gender, country, they're all standard dimensions, so there aren't any custom dimensions. The way that you can access custom dimensions is through audiences. If you've created some audiences, then you can do that. So here are some audience that I've created for purchasers, which is a standard one: visit scheduling page, new LinkedIn visitors, GA blogs, and LinkedIn GA blog ×2. So they've looked at least 2 blogs to do with Google Analytics. Okay, so I'll click on that one and then click OK. So that's how you change your audience, and you apply. And then the metric, you can be 1 day total users, but you've got various options here. Lots of possible different metrics to use. So we could look at page views. And in terms of the condition, you can go with the anomaly, which is the default, but you could also look at an increase or decrease. Most certainly, percentage decrease would be a concern if we're looking at key pages or key events. So we could say a decrease of more than 50%. And you can also have a comparison period of yesterday, same day last week, or same day last year. So we'll yesterday. And then we can give it a name. In this case, it's say default name anomaly in daily users, but we could change that to fall by 50% of daily users to GA logs. And here you can put in the people you want the email alerts to be sent to. So the default is my email address, but if you add a comma, you can add more users to that list. Okay, and then when you're ready, you can create. Now, if you go back into suggested insights or view insights, you can also create your own custom ones. So again, you can look at the frequency, you can look at the metric. So we could look at 30-day total users as an anomaly. You give it a name, and then create as before once you've done it. I won't do that, but essentially this is really useful tool to create email alerts on different metrics and different audiences. Just make sure you've set up your audiences to capture key segments, key events, so that you don't have to rely just on the standard dimensions. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you found that useful. I will be posting more videos shortly. Thank you. Bye.